All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2014 Dodge Charger PPV 5.7 HEMI rear-wheel drive. Original navy blue metallic from factory. Vehicle does have a couple scratches, mainly on the front, and he has 3 door dings, folks. That's about it. Once again, original navy blue metallic from factory. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. The vehicle has received the full Mario's touch, and folks, let me tell you, she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever. She is ready to go. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have window tint from the department. That appears to be a medium shade all around. Before I forget, folks, this is going to be a state trooper slicked up vehicle. That is correct. This was a state trooper highway patrol slicked up vehicle. It was assigned to one officer, so it was his vehicle to take home. Okay. Once again, the vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, and once again, she doesn't need any repairs on her whatsoever. Vehicle does have 3 holes. He's got 2 holes on the roof where those 2 actual antennas are. 1 on the trunk lid. Let's go ahead and get closer so you guys can see. They are solid, folks, so if you need to drive your car to an express car wash, those are solid. They're not going anywhere. They are not magnetic, all right? So they are actually on the vehicle. Once again, they are not magnetic. Let me backtrack here, folks. He's got 1 door ding here, secondary door ding right here somewhere. Yes, right there. There you go. I saw it. I try to do a great job showing you everything that the vehicle has. So if I do miss something, please forgive me. But everything is live. I can't stop the video and pause it and continue. I can't. As you guys can see, these little clear bubbles are actually LED lights. That's what came with the vehicle. I decided to leave those alone. I'm not gonna go ahead and have the bumper repainted to take care of those. 3rd door ding is gonna be here, folks, somewhere right here. All right, this is gonna be the 3rd door ding that the vehicle has. Aside from that, folks, you are looking at an excellent running condition all around vehicle. Before I forget, folks, vehicle does have a new set of tires from the department. New set of tires from that department. I did recondition all 4 steel wheels because they were getting a little bit paled. They were black, but they were getting a little bit pale, so I went ahead and reconditioned all 4 steel wheels. So all 4 steel wheels do look brand new all over again. Let's continue. I don't want to fall behind because I do have a lot of ground to cover. Folks, vehicle does have 2 working LED spotlights. When I first acquired the vehicle, there was nothing in place, so I went ahead and reinstalled everything back in place. So yes, 2 nice LED working spotlights were installed on this vehicle that I pulled out of my inventory. Nice and clear lights in the front. Those are the original lights that the vehicle came with. Remember, I did tell you that the vehicle does have some scratches in the front from road hazard. You can see that right there. It's got some chips. Folks, once again, this was a highway patrol vehicle, so I'm not saying she's 110% perfect right out of the dealership assembly line, manufacturer assembly line, because it is not. All right, those little chips, scratches, I'm not gonna lose sleep over that, so I always leave those alone. Not unless there's a customer that says, hey Mario, I want that car to be more perfect, then yes, you can spend the money to make it perfect. You could pay me the money. I will go ahead and cater that vehicle to how you want it to be. Aside from that, what you see is what you're gonna get, folks. The vehicle does not look bad, but it is my job to tell you that it does have some chips and scratches on the front due to road hazard. Once again, this was a highway patrol vehicle, folks. All right. I'm glad I got that out of the way. Let's go inside, folks. Let me show you what we got, because the clock is ticking. The vehicle is complete. Rear door locks and switches are in place, so yes, the rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the vehicle. Nice interior here, folks. Matching rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. There you go, folks. 2014 Dodge Charger here. Vinyl floor is nice. There you go. Passenger side seat, driver's side seat is in nice, comfortable shape. Passenger side seat, it looks like no one ever sat there, so it's in almost new looking condition. The vehicle does have a good use OEM center console that I purchased at a rake yard here locally, so I installed it. Cigarette lighter does work, and you do have cup holders with auxiliary connections inside the console there that do work. Okay, one key fob. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Pressure lights are up. Vehicle does have 110,000 miles with only 1177 idle hours. Once again, folks, 1177 idle hours. That is it. AC does work, everything does work. Stereo does work. YouTube do not own the rights to the song. Red LED, white LED. Honk does work. LEDs do work, folks. This LED light is pretty unique. Check this out. One click is white. You double click it, and that's what you get. All right, it's got white and red flashing patterns. Once again, one click is white, two clicks, and it flashes red. It's a hidden surprise. It's there, nobody knows about it, not unless I tell you that it does exist. Am I forgetting anything? Center console's a little bit off. They cut the brackets that are here, so I couldn't really mount it really well how it should be. So it's gonna go like this, folks. Once again, the department cut the brackets here, so I couldn't mount it upwards. So what you see is what you're gonna get. Everything is nice and tight. I installed them myself. Everything does work, but just want to let you know it's gonna be a little bit of imperfection here, okay? Because the brackets were cut right there. Let me step it up here, folks. Stereo does work. Super cool air conditioner. 110,000 miles with 1177 idle hours. Let's go to the back here, folks. I'm sorry I have to go here. Gotta make it real quick. Vehicle does have a full-size spare tire with a floor jack in place. What you see is what you are gonna get. Vehicle does have a fresh new battery. That's gonna be an interstate battery that I bought at Costco, so it does come with a 36 months or 3-year free replacement. I do have the warranty, which I'm gonna give you, so if you are a Costco member and something happens to the battery, folks, you can always just go and replace it. Once again, 36-month free replacement or 3 years, whichever one comes first. All the LED lights work in the back. There you go. Super sharp, beautiful vehicle, folks. I'm not used to seeing these vehicles this clean, these very well taken care of, folks, but every now and then I will get one that really draws my attention. All right, folks, here she is. Vehicle has been fully serviced. No funny noises, no funny ticks, no funny clunks, nothing. Let me be quiet here for a second. Very smooth, folks. Vehicle has been completely serviced, starting right to left. I do have a brand new air filter. I do have full synthetic 520 oil service, fluid and filter. I do have 16 Motorcraft Iridium spark plugs on this bad boy. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Transmission service was done with ATF plus 4 fluid and filter by Mopar. New cabin filter as well. Drive belt appears to be in new condition. Thermostat looks like it was already replaced from the department as well. You can see all the new components there. I also went ahead and put new brakes and rotors on the front. You guys can see that right there. New brakes and rotors on the front. Upon inspection, they were about 50%. So when I see them that low, I just like to replace them. So yeah, new brakes and rotors on the front. Rear brakes are around 70%. They're making a little bit of squeaky noise. So chances are that I may be replacing those, because I do have a pet peeve for squeaky brakes. So once again, folks, I'm 90% sure that I'm going to be replacing the rear brakes. Great tires. The vehicle is very smooth, very quiet when she's driving down the highway or on the road. Everything does work. Air conditioner is nice and cold. All fluids have been topped off, folks. And she is in immaculate running condition, folks. Let me tell you, I'm not used to seeing these vehicles this clean in such a good shape. Once again, this was a highway patrol unit. It was a slicked up unit, take home car. So it belonged to one officer. And those of you that track police work, if this is your take home unit, you know you're gonna be on top of it. All right, folks, I gotta go. My time is running out. If you see anything you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can reach an agreement. Once again, this is going to be a 2014 Dodge Charger rear-wheel drive 5.7 HEMI, former highway patrol slicked up unit, take-home unit. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. All right. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed weekend out there, and take care. We're gonna be waiting for Hurricane Hillary.